Should you buy an HP Smart Tank printer? Stay tuned because that's what I'm going to be talking about here in this video. Hey, what's going on? The printer guy here, and I wanted to talk to you today about whether you should buy an HP Smart Tank printer or not. Now, of course, the answer is not as simple as yes or no here on camera. I have to go through some of the different things about this printer that would make you say yes or no for yourself. So it's really on an individual basis, but I hope this video helps you get to the conclusion that you need to get to of whether you should buy one of these printers or not. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, there will be product links down in the description below that could be a resource to you when it comes to saving money on printing. All right, so I want to get right into the video. The very first thing that I always tell people when it comes to switching over to a tank printer is, have you already used the HP? In other words, have you already had an HP OfficeJet or another HP type of printer? If that is the case, making the crossover, making the switch from that printer to an HP Smart Tank printer is going to be really seamless. You're going to be familiar with how the printer works for the most part. It's a new tank-based printer. But if you were using HP in the past, I would highly recommend, and I would say yes, you definitely should switch over to an HP Smart Tank printer. It is the easiest, most compatible way that you could transfer over into the tank-based type of printer. If you were to switch from an HP printer, which you're familiar with, which maybe you've used the HP printer for years, and the non-tank version of an HP printer, and you switch over, for example, to an Epson EcoTank printer, there's going to be a big learning curve, and it's really not going to be beneficial for you to have to go through that learning curve if there's already a tank-based printer that is HP, which is what you're familiar with. Number two is the ink, and this goes across the board with a lot of the tank printers, is the ink is going to be a lot less expensive. You're going to spend way less when it comes to bottled ink versus a cartridge-based ink system. The bottled ink is going to save you so much, and then there are third parties that make it even cheaper, like Best Printers. There's a link down in the description below for some much more affordable HP Smart Tank ink. It's the same type of ink that HP sells for the printer, but this is going to be compatible across the board with multiple HP Smart Tank models, and it's going to be usually around 50% less of the cost. So HP does include 2 years of ink with the printer. You'll really have to run the numbers and see if you end up actually saving with the HP ink versus the third-party ink that we sell. Now, another thing with the HP Smart Tank lineup that I really like is the removable print heads. You can replace them if they are damaged or if they're not printing well. If you're having issues printing, you can swap out those print heads, which is usually the issue when you're not printing well. But really, there's a way to solve that and fix those print heads. I'm going to be leaving a couple of videos, one of them being an ink comparison video that kind of covers the ink that I talked about previously, and then another video showing you how to clean out those print heads manually if you ever get to that point. And those will be resources for you that will really be helpful. Now, one of the things that I don't really like about the HP Smart Tank lineup is that there are ink pads that absorb ink, and those are not removable. With the Epson EcoTank lineup and some of the Canon Mega Tanks, there is a removable, what is called maintenance box or maintenance pad, and that's basically all the leftover ink, and all the times that you do a print head cleaning, all that ink gets moved over to that pad. On those models, Epson and Canon, you can remove that pad, but with HP, you don't have that removing capability, and it's just a fixed pad that just absorbs ink over time, and that really could be problematic over time. Now, is there a way to clean that pad? Potentially. There's a solution that we could come up with here on the channel, but for right now, there is really no clear solution on how to deal with that, and that really just goes into planned obsolescence, and that makes it really challenging for me when I'm reviewing these printers because I have that information. But that's not the most urgent thing. That's a problem that really comes in the long term, and so it's just something to think about and something I really wanted to include here in the video. Now, another thing I really like about the HP Smart Tank lineup, and a reason why you should switch over, is the HP Smart app. It's an excellent app, far superior to the Canon and Epson apps, and that really helps you with printing photos and different things that you may need, scanning, different printing that you may want to do from the app, from your smartphone. It is a superior app, and it really makes the HP Smart Tank very desirable because of that added capacity and capability. Now, lastly, I'll talk about pricing a little bit, and HP has come around to making these printers very much affordable. If you don't really care to have a screen on there and you can use the app wirelessly, they have all the standard capabilities that most other printers have. But if you go with an HP SmartTank that doesn't have a screen on it, like 6000, 6001, and the HP SmartTank 5000, those printers really will be very affordable, and you're gonna have affordable ink, an affordable printer, and it's a win-win really at the end of the day. If you don't care to have a screen right on the printer, because really you could use your smartphone to connect with the app and you'll have a really great user experience. You can also connect directly to a PC. It does have that capability as well. These are all the reasons why you should buy an HP SmartTank printer, and one reason that you should kind of think about a little bit and consider when buying an HP SmartTank printer. So I really hope this was helpful. This goes across the board with all HP SmartTank printers. I'm pretty familiar with all of the models, so I really hope this video ended up being helpful.